สวัสดีค่ะ
ครับ
Welcome to the second session. Nowadays, wherever you go, you can see people open small businesses such as Doi Chang Coffee, etc. If we look at the success story of most of the people who are successful in their life, there is something in common. That is, they all know how to make use of their spare time instead of spending it on employment. They work overtime to improve their income. Here is a former student we will introduce to you today who belong to this category. Let's go to know him. Welcome, Paul Yuthasat. Okay, so he is my former student from the ES program,
Yes.
English program. All right, welcome for today.
Yeah.
So everybody take a look that we have the equipment how to make a great coffee.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Yeah. Actually, there is many method to brew coffee, but this just one of those things. Yeah.
Just for example.
Yeah. Just for example for today.
And tell us about yourself first.
Yes. My name is Yuthasat Lercherku, or most of the people they knows me as Paul. So you also can call me Paul. Yes.
And so, what did you study during the 4 years in CRRU?
Yeah, when I was studying here, I studied in, as you introduced a while ago, that I was studying in English study. Yeah. Yes.
And what did you get from CRRU? What did you get from here during those days? Okay, which so what do you think it would be helpful for you?
Yes, I want you to know that before I enter here, I mean like when I was studying in the high school, so I'm very afraid to speak English.
Afraid?
Yeah. So I just even know that how to count A, B, C, D. Yeah, that's it. Because you know, like most of the Thai people, we are afraid to speaking English. But in the last year of high school, so my professor, she suggested me that, what you want to do in your future. Yeah. On that time, I thought, if I can do something that can help my community, that's maybe better than helping myself. Yeah, there is everyone is working for their life, and I thought that what good if I can help myself and I can help other in the same time.
I see.
Yeah. So I sharing this to my supervisor, to my teacher. So he said, that if that you have to take English. So that way, directly I decided to enroll in the English major.
Okay. You are a good boy during my class too.
Yes.
So I heard that you have been in Philippines and the US.
Yes, I have been to the Philippines for a semester, like 4 or 5 months, I think. Yeah.
To be the exchange student?
Exchange student there. So during that time, it helped me a lot to communicate with other people. So I have more confidence to talk to other people too. So we know that most of the students, they know in academic part, so like writing or grammar, so they're good in that. But I don't think that I'm good in that, in that part. Yeah.
But so you learn a lot of experience from
Yes.
the Philippines.
Yes, so I have more confidence to speak out. Yeah.
And so what about in the US?
In the US, I was there for 2 months.
2 months?
Yes. So I went there so before I graduated here, so I met one of my friends who working with YWAM. Yeah, so a part of YWAM. And we have same desire to help the young generation to read in Accra.
Okay.
Yes.
So you mean that organization went to the hill, went to the hill?
Yeah.
Okay, and so work in the organization.
Yes.
You mean the Christian or?
Yeah, they are Christian.
Oh, the
so
Christian.
I went there to produce like material for teaching Accra language to the young generations.
I see, I see. And so this is the how to say the most important that how did you become the owner of the FOS coffee, the FOS coffee?
Yes.
Wow. So everybody take a look, and Paul will show us later. Okay. So
Yes.
how did?
So as I mentioned you a while ago that I want to help the community and also help myself too. Yes. I start this like a business. Yeah, maybe we can call it a business because most of the people they working on the coffee part like a business, right? So I started this because this village is located in Doi Mesalong.
Doi Mesalong.
Yeah,
And you are from Doi Mesalong?
Yeah, actually now I'm staying in Mechan, but I was born in that village that they growing this coffee. Yes, so I want to help them to like promoting them to have a customer to sell their coffee. Yes.
Wow.
So I'm looking for a customer, and also at the same time I invite like a friend from French who expert in the coffee. So I invite them to come, and then we will do like experiment. So we will select the best coffee from this place.
I see. You have your own plantation? I mean that the coffee plantation.
Yes, I have.
And so you produce the seed of the coffee
Yes.
and export
To
where?
to Japan and US.
Wow. Oh, this
Yeah.
is the wow. So this is my question next. Okay. So why do you choose to make a coffee instead of other business?
Yeah, because this business, because I love the place that I was born.
Wow.
Yeah, so I want to improve my area. I mean, like my village. I mean, the place that I was born. So I really want to help them, like to improve their life, because most of the people when they graduate high school, they go abroad like to work in Korea or any other countries. Yeah, but if we have like business, so the young generation, so they can have a time to spend a time with their parents because they have a job, they have a work. Yeah, so they don't need to go like Bangkok or to abroad to any other countries. Yes.
Okay. And then what about the budget? You exactly have the budget, right? And then you can grow the coffee seed, the coffee trees. I mean that.
Yeah, there is.
Is you use a lot of budget?
Now in the first time there is not, because like in the community we are helping each other, so they like we share the selling of the coffee.
I see.
So yeah, so we are brotherhood, so we don't need to buy it. Yeah, so we can ask them like 100 or 200, so we can like help them to grow, and then after 3 or 4 years, so you can harvest. The coffee will be bearing fruit. Yes.
And is it profitable?
Yes.
I see, I see. This is the most important, that your business will be grow and grow up. All right. And what is your recommendation to someone who would like to start a coffee business for the young generation?
Yes. So that is good question.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Yeah, because most of the people, they have to know first that they really like it. Not they work in the coffee business because they saw any other people they're working in the coffee, so they just enter in, get in to this business and they just work. Yeah, so a lot of people they fail because
Oh.
they don't know exactly what that they like it. Yeah, so like when we do everything, when we do something, like repeating every day. So if you doesn't really like it, so you get boring, right? And then you will give up. Yeah.
Yes,
So
that is very good
yeah, that is-
answer because if you want to do something,
Yes.
your heart also get ready to welcome and to get that knowledge.
Yes.
I see. And so, well, now Yuthasat, I'm sorry,
Yes.
Yuthasat or Paul, he will show us about how to make a great coffee
Yes.
from his plantation.
Yes.
Okay, so just a moment and let's go to see. You can
So
explain
yeah,
to,
I can
to
explain.
our.
So this method of the coffee to brew this is very easy. So we just need this we call filter paper.
Filter.
Yeah.
Okay, filter.
And coffee is here. So
Coffee we already
we already grind it.
Oh, we
Yeah.
already grind.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
So what about the